What's going on, guys? Tal from Eds. Wanted to talk to you guys about how to pair up wireless CarPlay on the new DNX996XR. It's going to be the same exact procedure as the DNX996XR. Like I said, let's get started, guys. So there's going to be two ways. There's going to be with plugged in cord and without. So first and foremost, you're going to go hit the settings. You can accomplish that two ways. You can actually hit the squares like you just saw me do, or you can also just hit the menu. So we can hit menu. We can also do setup there too. You're going to hit AV. You're going to hit Apple CarPlay device list. You're going to also hit the add button. It's going to look up Bluetooth. You're going to pair up via Bluetooth. So I'm going to go to Bluetooth. You're going to see I have a bunch of units on here. Here's one right here. It's going to say pair, allow. I'm going to press accept. There's my phone right there. And you're going to see it connect wirelessly. That's option one. So we're going to take our iPhone that's going to be plugged in, the USB into the black dongle for the Kenwood. You're going to see it's going to say there. It's going to say, would you like to add the Bluetooth? It's still going to go through Bluetooth. And here you're going to say use CarPlay. I don't know if you guys can see that. Use CarPlay. And so devices available for Apple CarPlay wireless is found. Do you want to start Apple CarPlay? You're going to press yes. And there's CarPlay. And so now if you actually check on your settings, you should see that Bluetooth is now connected. It should be wirelessly there too. And so if you unplug, it should still show there. So again, you just saw me unplug it live. We're still on CarPlay. If I go to my music or anything, you're going to see it change. That's for the Kenwood, guys. If you guys have any questions about anything CarPlay, check us out on YouTube. Thanks again. Like and subscribe, guys.